In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase from Supercell Store using the Apple gift card. So in order to purchase from the Supercell Store using an Apple gift card, you'll first need to redeem the gift card on your Apple account. So adding the funds to your Apple ID balance. To do that, go to your App Store, okay, click on your profile, which is on your top right there. So click on it, and here you'll see there's an option called redeem gift card or code. Click on it. Okay, so click on it, and here you can either use the camera to take a photo of the gift card to scan it, or you can enter the code manually and just enter the code from your Apple gift card and then hit on redeem. When you click on redeem, these funds will be added to your Apple ID balance. So once you have added the balance to your Apple ID, you can either use the access the Supercell Store through any of the Supercell games here, like Clash of Clans, something like the Brawl Stars, something like that. Through them you can make purchases within the app, or you can also go to the Supercell website and then make any purchase and then pay with your Apple ID, Apple Pay. So because the Supercell Store supports Apple Pay, which will utilize your Apple ID balance for the payment. So you can, in that way, you'll be able to make purchase within the Supercell Store. And that's basically pretty much it is.